Hello everybody and welcome to April. So our colour palette for this month is Cayenne Red, so a really fiery orangey red colour tone. So we're going to kick off this month with a bridal bouquet. So this bridal bouquet is quite tropical and it's for the fiery bride that has a fun, impulsive and outgoing personality. Is that bride you? We're going to use bold colours with textural flowers and greenery to create that statement bouquet. So my ingredients today are fresh products, Bromelia. This is Bromelia Tigra, so really fire-like, as you can see, almost epitomises the flames. Then we're going to use some Leucandendron. This has got a slightly deeper red hint at the end, but complements the colour shape perfectly. Then we've got some aspidistra, which I'm actually going to manipulate into loops. We've got some steel grass. Now steel grass is really good in the respect that it bends and it's quite stiff, but it does snap quite easily. So just to be a little bit aware when you use it, that if you're going to bend it too tight, it will snap. So you kind of have to go with its own flexibility. Alright, so that's steel grass. And then finally, I have some Leucospermum, and this is red. This is sometimes called the firework flower, because it almost looks like an explosion that a firework would make. So that's Leucospermum. So there are fresh products, and then apart from my usual florist box, I'm using the Twine. This is a natural one. Obviously my scissors, a 12mm green anchor tape, and this is what I'm going to finish the handle with. This is actually a brown cord or rope. It's a 2mm width one. Obviously you can use whatever you want to finish with. That's kind of a natural finish. Alright, so I hope you enjoy. I hope it inspires you to have a go at something a little bit different as a wedding bouquet. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed watching our demonstration on how to create a tropical bouquet, incorporating that fantastic colour palette of Cayenne Red. So as always, I have some top tips for you. Top tip number 1, when you've made it up, possibly a couple of days even before you need it, would be quite okay. Make sure you store it somewhere that's a kind of warmer domestic environment rather than really cold, because all tropical flowers do actually like to be in a warmer environment. Number 2, top tip number 2, you could actually place this into a vase after the ceremony and use it as a table decoration. One of my favourite sayings is, you've paid for it all, so you may as well use it all. Okay, so that would be one top tip. Top tip number 3, if you're budget savvy and tropical flowers are slightly out of your budget, you could use seasonal flowers in this same bright colour palette to create the same kind of idea. Next up, we're exploring how you can all incorporate this colour palette of Cayenne Red into a funeral tribute. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like us, share us with your friends and family, and obviously your flower club friends as well. And don't forget to visit our YouTube channel for lots more tips and hints and inspirational ideas. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now.